Salt Conference is different than other conferences because the heart of what they do is not just about bigger and better and the most flashy. It's really about what's going on under the surface. So it's not just about your craft, but it's about really who you are as a creative, whether you're a volunteer or you're on full-time staff or you're in leadership, whatever it is, it's a place for you to come and to worship and to grow.
Sending our team to the SALT conference has been important. It's something we've blocked financially. It's important because it's grown the levels of creativity in our church. It's enhanced the way that we communicate the truth.
Some of our biggest initiatives or shifts in our church and how our team functions has come out of conferences, conversations like, what would happen if we did this? The real-time engagement with each other and the relationships that happen are really impactful for me personally, but I think for us as a team as we function together.
If there was no other formation at the SALT conference, the way our team comes back filled up and refreshed by being a part of a worship service that they don't have to create, that investment would be worth it for us.
I think anybody that even cares about creativity could go. Anybody from lead pastor to stage design, anything like that. I think anybody in ministry could benefit.
We kind of have expectations of what to expect, but it's always something new without this pull to top the year before. Whether they're an individual or a team going, I would just say it's worth the investment of time and resources.
Even if you don't consider yourself a creative, it's a unique opportunity to see what can go on behind the scenes of a Sunday morning or how the kingdom can be impacted by creativity in that way.